Hello everybody, this is Ramo,
And that's Rami.
and today we are eating ramen noodles and Big Red. The deliciousness. So we are on a trampoline outside eating ramen noodles and Big Red. Why are we doing this?
Because it's better than in the kitchen.
Well, we're going to do a cheers. So let's do it.
Okay.
So please know this is difficult to record this with my hand and a drink and ramen noodles in my lap on an unsteady trampoline. So let's have a cheers. Cheers to being able to hold this camera, doing all of this and eating all of this and drinking all of this and blah 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 and being friends and be on YouTube. Cheers.
Cheers. Refreshing. It doesn't seem so refreshing to her. Wow, this isn't very refreshing, is it, Trinity?
Okay, I'm done now. And cheers to coughing.
Yay! Cheers.
I'm not drinking anymore. Goodbye. I just spilled it. Tell us in the description what y'all cheered about.
And bye, so we can get that Big Red offer.
I'm gonna lick it off and then choke some more.